point of turn and go straight to first. Then check my middle and right mirror again just before I turn to make sure it's clear, which it was. Middle and right mirror to move out for these cars. Looks like I'm going to have to stay out in this position because of the cars on the left. I'm just going to keep it slow. We're coming to a blind bend. Don't need a signal on because it's the only way I can go, but I am going to keep it slow, especially because there's cars parked on here, which is really dangerous. As soon as I get round the corner and I can see what's happening, check my middle mirror. Check my middle and right mirror to move out slightly for this parked car, and then of course middle and left mirror to move back over into position. I'm going to stay about 20 miles an hour along here. No need to speed up any more than that. I'm going to take the next right, so middle and right mirror, right signal. I'm already in second gear anyway, so I'm going to stay in this because it's clear. I can keep it going. I'm going to stop immediately for this car. Looks like he's pulled in for me. Oh, no, he's coming, so I've stopped again. That's why when we turn right, it's important, or we turn left or right, it's important that we look into the road that we're turning into for that exact reason. Because as soon as I turned in there was somebody moving out for parked cars into my side of the road, which meant I had to stop and give way. Check the mirror for that gear change. At the end of the road I'm going to turn right, so middle and right mirror, right signal. End of the road, go straight to first gear and look left, look right, there's a car coming. My pose has become a weight, so I'm going to use my handbrake, and I'll set my gas and find my bite. Look left, look right, it's clear, check it again and I'm going to go. Okay, as soon as I've got straightened out and I'm on the new road, check my middle mirror and a gear change. Middle mirror again before a gear change. It's nice and clear, so this limit is 30 miles an hour, so I'm actually going 30 miles an hour. There's no reason for me to go any slower.